What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Josh, and we back at it again on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Your boy just got off the road again. Just went up north for a couple days, get some stuff, ready for my next work project. And today is probably the only day I got to put this review out and then hit back on the road to go do some more work. Hey, that's what you gotta do. You gotta do, right? You gotta get this bread. You gotta get the bread. Go where the money goes, right? So. And with that being said, I did just finish doing some pre-recordings of the collection video for the my Retro 5s that I have in the collection. I will probably do a quick YouTube short on those, just showcasing what they are, and then when I get back, I'll do a full-on video displaying or going over each style and close-ups and all that. So, but before we get going with the video and the review, because this video is about a review. No time lapses for a while because of two reasons. One, your boy's waiting for a VIP day, a VIP points day with Legos, so I can sit there and rack up, and then at the same time rack more points up, because at the end of the year, or towards the end of the year, there's the UCS Rebel Republic Venator Starship that's coming out, and your boy wants that. That's going to be over about 5,000 pieces, and it's going to go great with my Star Destroyer that I already got, and the Super Star Destroyer that's behind the camera right now. So can't wait to get that one, can't wait to build it. So I'm trying to rack up points, so maybe I could just get that one for free, straight up off of points, straight up. So we'll see. But before we get to this review video, I want to sit here and thank you guys behind the screens, you guys on streaming, you guys anywhere, wherever you're watching it, whether it's on your phone, your tablet, your TV screens, your computers, wherever you're watching it. I want to sit here and thank y'all for, again, watching the videos, for liking the channel, subscribing to the channel, and for hitting that notification bell. Again, if you're new to the channel and you have done none of those three that I just mentioned, go ahead and help your boy out. It takes 2 seconds to click, 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 boom, boom, boom. That's what you gotta do, and they don't even cost you anything to do it. So, but again, straight up, thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for all the views. The views are still climbing. The subscribers are still climbing, and we're almost at 500. So that's gonna be a good thing. So, all right. Well, today's review is off of a sneaker that recently had an early drop, a shock drop, and it was early shock drop. So it's one of my favorite silhouettes. I think with this sneaker that I'm getting right now, it's probably even though it's not my top favorite silhouette, it's probably the most sneakers of that silhouette that I have in the collection. So, and I did a collection video already for those. And if you go back into the channel, you'll see that I have a lot of them. So, and it's just dope. This colorway is dope. I don't care what anybody says. I saw the pictures of it before I went and copped, and it was great. But before I show you the shoe, I want to make sure y'all go and look at my boys at the hype section. They're the ones that blessed me with the pair. And just, hey, the boys, when they go in there, they'll take care of you. They'll treat you like family. As soon as you walk in the door, get you what you need. If not, they make sure they go out there and reach it for you. So just make sure, like, if you're ever in St. Augustine in Florida, hit them up at the hype section, or you can always just shop online at thehypesection.com. They got all their inventory on there too. So make sure you look out for my boys out there. They're doing good things out there, and they're doing a lot of, like, meet and greets with some Jacksonville Jaguars. They blessing the community up, giving out sneakers to, deserving kids at school. Yo, can't get any better than that. So make sure y'all support the boys over at the hype section, all right? So, the sneaker we're about to review for this video right now, it's in this box right here. Y'all ready for it? Here we go. Boom. All right, so most sneakerheads know that this box typically only comes with a few silhouettes, but if you paid attention to what I was saying, with it being an early drop and a recent shock drop, you kind of know what it is already. Got speckles all around the box, black shiny, you know, speckles with the black backdrop. And I'll just read out what the box says. So this is an Air Jordan 4 Retro. The color is white, fire red, black, and it's a 9.5. So in the box, ladies and gents, what I've got is the Air Jordan 4 Red Cements. Oh, so buttery, so beautiful. Y'all gonna love the sneaker. All right, y'all, check it out. And man, when I tell y'all this sneaker is beautiful, woo-wee. This thing is so, as my nephew would say it, this thing is so sexy. Oh man, I mean, the red cement part is perfect. The quality, I'm not seeing any flaws. Oh man, I'm speechless. I love the sneaker, man, and I think this sneaker is gonna be a problem on release day. So I'm glad that I was able to cop early, because man, I'm gonna be upset when they drop. They sell out everywhere, because this is gonna be a problem. So, all right, again, first impressions. The sneaker is dope. It's beautiful. It looks like the sole. You know how sometimes the midsole it's either real smooth or it's kind of like got some texture to it. They kind of did that with this midsole, and I think that adds to the look of the red cement. And you'll see it on the up and close. But oh man, it's dope. I kind of wish they would have done the same on the flat parts, like on the back heel tab and on the lace part right here. I kind of wish they would have did it to kind of match the midsole. But man, beautiful sneaker, y'all. So, all right, well, you know what? I'm gonna stop saying how beautiful it is, and I'm gonna give y'all up close look to this beautiful Air Jordan 4 that just is about to release. It's not released yet. It's about to release. And let y'all know, make up your own comments and make up your own decisions on what y'all think about this Air Jordan 4 Red Cement. So, all right, let me stop flapping my gums. Let me go ahead and get this camera down on this sneaker, give y'all up and close, let y'all make y'all decisions. All right, y'all, let's get it. All right, y'all, well, here we got the Air Jordan 4 Red Cements. And, oh, man, look how beautiful these kicks are, bro. Tell me these aren't dope. I mean, look at that quality. Like I was telling y'all, you see how sometimes, you know, the midsole comes where it's nice and smooth, but they added to the effect of, like, I don't know if that was on purpose or what, but it adds to the effect of, like, you know, it being cement, red cement. And I mean, it's not like it's a spot that, you know, that could be a defect. It's all throughout the midsole. It's so dope that it looks like that, I think, in my opinion. So, but yeah, the sneaker is fuego. I mean, to the leather, there's tumbled leather on the tongue, as y'all can see, on the on the side panels, tumbled leather throughout, in the toe box. Oh man, this sneaker is crazy, crazy dope. You'd be crazy to sit here and pass up on this. So, of course, it's not an OG colorway, so they couldn't really bless it with the Nike Air on the back, but I'll take that, you know, because again, this is such a dope colorway for this awesome silhouette. And I'm so happy that I went ahead and got these so early. So, man, 360 view of both pairs. And again, little to no quality defects or any complaints when it comes to that. I mean, they did their thing on this one. They did their thing. I'll say that. Jordan, good job. You guys kept up with the par of the sneaker, of this silhouette. So let's take a look at the soles. Your usual Air Jordan 4 sole right there. But as y'all really seen from all my videos, I don't really care too much for the sole. The sole's made to be stepped on and whatnot. So if they add a little flair to the sole, cool. If not, who in the hell is looking at the soles? Nobody ain't looking at your soles, bro. I'll clean mine every now and then if they're too dirty, but hey, I don't pay attention to it, bro. All right, y'all. Well, let me know in the comment section what y'all think about this Air Jordan 4 Red Cement. To me, it's a must cop, and to me, it's a must double up. These are gonna be a problem on release day, so if y'all wanna make sure y'all ready for that release day, I don't know it off the top of my head, but I'm just glad that I sat here and I copped early, because if it wasn't for my boys over at the hype session, then I would definitely be stressing out on release day to see if I was gonna get a pair or not. So. All right, y'all. Well, let's get back in front of this camera, give our final comments and thoughts on the sneaker, and we'll take it from there. All right, y'all. Let's get it. All right, y'all. That was a review for the Air Jordan 4 Red Cements. Aptly named, very well, because I could pull out the white cements from back there. Yeah, I know y'all can see them in the video, in the backdrop. So y'all know that this thing looks very similar to it. Of course, the only thing that's missing, it's the Nike Air on the back. So, hey, we can't always get what we want, I guess, but we got enough of a great sneaker in here to let that one slide. So, plus, it's not an OG, of course, so we can't really bless it with the Nike Air. It's not an OG. So, all right, y'all. Well, let me know in the comment section what y'all thought about the review, what you thought about the sneaker. Is this a must cop for y'all on release day? This is a must double up for me, and I'm hoping that I can, because I'm gonna be at work that day. It's gonna be hot and heavy at work, and I'm gonna have to plot it where I take a break around release time so I can get in there and order, try to cop another pair of these, because I'm gonna be pretty upset if I can't get another double up. So, all right, y'all. Well, that was the video for the review of the Air Jordan 4 Red Cements. Thank you for sticking around and watching the video. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. And make sure y'all hit that notification bell so you're notified every time your boy sits here and uploads some good content for y'all to sit back, relax, and just take notes on some good, dope releases, y'all. All right, y'all. Well, there's nothing more left to say other than, as always, it's your boy Josh. We on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Keep it locked in, and until next time, holla at your boy.